Okay, so this is the first look which I created, and I named this look as Girl Boss look. Because I think the Girl Boss look is a look which is very stylish and chic, and I think I'm looking that. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So I got this black and white crop sweater from Sector 19 for just at 80 bucks. And to make it look rich and polished, I paired with exact same colors. Like I'm wearing this black flare pants with white canvas. And don't forget to accessorize. I'm having this black and white detailing bag, black pegaball hat which I got from Shein. And yes, you are ready to go. And yes, don't forget to wear sunglasses because it's a necessity of girl boss look. This look looks so put together because the color scheme is so on point and just make you feel so comfortable and stylish. Okay, so this look I named as vlogger look because I saw many vloggers wearing blazer like this, and no one can just make out that this blazer is just $100 bucks. So here the tip is, when you're buying clothes from street market, don't just stick it out to basic black and white color. Try to hunt for a bright color like mustard, olive or any other color. So here I paired this black turtleneck which I got from Sector 22 with this skirt which I got from Shein and this blazer. I match it with the flowers which is there in the skirt. And to complete the vlogger look, you need it bum bag, of course. This is a necessity of the vlogger look, and paired with this black boots, sunglasses and silver hoop. And yes, you are good to go in your vlogger look. So this is the party look which I have created. We all think that we can't wear saste kapde in parties or big events, but nothing like that. So in this I'm wearing this black turtleneck which I got from Sector 22, just $100 bucks, and this skater skirt from Forever 21. So the trick is, try to steal the statement piece from the street market like blazer, long coats. I got this long coat at just $100 bucks, and I think it's complete steal because in Zara you'll get similar coat in like thousands. And don't forget to accessorize your outfit with good clutch, jewelry, sunglasses, hat, and you're good to go in the party. And I'll let my coat fall on my shoulder to get more edge and stylish look. And yes, red lips. Okay, so this look is college look because in this look I'm wearing this dress which is not too short and not too long, and I think this dress is appropriate for college. And I got this dress just ₹35. Can you imagine? Just 35 from Sector 19. And ऊपर से मैंने black denim jacket पहना है because you know now we wear denim in college every time, and you know denim goes with everything and anything. And मैंने backpack भी लिया है just to complete the college look. And these glasses, black Oxford shoes, and yes, I'm ready to go to college and in budget. So the tip and trick is here, when you're buying dresses from the street market, then try to pair it with the jackets. Okay, so this is the last look which I created, and I named this look as an oversized look. So आपको ड्रेस को देख के पता लग ही रहा होगा. So basically in street market you'll find loose clothes, and I think this is the best part about it because you can style one single piece in many other ways. So to style oversized dresses, cardigan, use a belt because belt pull the whole look together and help in defining your waist in the most flattering way possible. And try to match your belt with the shoes you're wearing. And when you're buying clothes from street, keep in mind, think as a stylish. And I got this cardigan just ₹80, yes, from Sector 19. Okay, so that's all about the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.